This smells good. Like no joke. It's and welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. So for today, we have a Kiddie chef who will be preparing something good for us. Now, as you know, we're in the month of May and we're celebrating Child's Month and we're celebrating our children. And last year we had this series, and why not bring it back to just, showcase our wonderful Kiddie chef. Now, over to you, Kiddie chef Maleah.
Today we'll be making a salad. Not just any salad, but a salad that can be had as a main course. One that is filled with proteins and nutrients.
We're going to go over our ingredients, so let's go. And then we head straight into the goodness. Are you ready, guys? If you're ready, drop in the comment section below. Ready? So guys, we have our lettuce, we have our sweet corn, our cheddar cheese, we also have some shredded carrots, our smoked tuna, tomatoes, our raisin, cranberries, and our prunes. We will be using onions, we'll be using our bell peppers. Also, we'll be using a little black pepper, some almonds, some chia seed, and some olive oil. And those are our ingredients for today. Alright, so we'll be using smoked tuna. However, that's not the only option for your protein for your salad. So what are the other options, Maleah?
The other option is...
So if you like spice, you can use
the Thai chili sauce tuna.
You can also use your chicken breast. You can use like your ham
or
slices.
You could use sardines. Use the spicy tuna, or we could use chicken breast, ham, or sardines.
Yeah, so these are some other options for your protein-based salad. So Maleah is about to get into the goodness, so let's dive in. Ready, Maleah?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Now that is done, let's get into the goodness.
All right.
First, let's prepare our lettuce, and I went ahead and I washed my lettuce with a little bit of vinegar and some salt. So let's rip it.
Rip it apart.
Okay. So we're going to rip our lettuce into bite sizes. And I'm using my hands and not a knife because children
Can't be using any cutting tools, right?
and it's natural. So first, along with the lettuce, I'm adding my tuna. Remember guys, you can use a meat of your choice. Okay, now we're going to add our onions. So next, we're going to add our carrots. Now we're going to add our sweet corn. You don't have to use all of it. Wow, this is so colorful.
I know, I love the colors.
So now we're adding our bell peppers. Next, we're going to add our raisins, just a little bit. Now we're going to add our olive oil. Not all of it though. So now it's time to combine our ingredients. Remember kids, our vegetables are good for our bodies.
Now guys, Maleah is almost through and people, this smells good. Like no joke, it smells really good and I can't wait to dive in. So let's go plating, Maleah. Alright. Alright. Kiddies, get all your veggies, okay? I'm seeing the tomato, the corn, the lettuce, hello, the tuna. I can't wait. The raisins, the cranberry. Alright.
And
add a little bit more. Even that almond. Ooh. So add a little bit more.
And it smells amazing.
It smells amazing, no joke.
So to garnish, we have our little tomato balls.
Yeah.
And there you have it, a healthy,
Yes.
nutritious salad.
So guys, it's now time to dive in and I can't wait. So let's go, Maleah. Let me taste what's happening here. Trying to get everything. Alright, tuna, cranberry, sweet corn, cheese, everything. Alright. This
And
is so
remember, health is wealth.
good. So true. Great reminder.